overcome it and stand here today. We move from place to place, ran the human race, yet here we are, face to face. Right back where we fell, standing at the well, where the water keeps pumping, the sun is still shining. All we need tonight is this moment to embrace. just